Before we solve the cube, let's quick understand how it works. A Rubik's cube has three types of pieces: centers, middle pieces fixed position. Each side has one center. This decide the color of the face. Edges, pieces with two colors located between corners. Corners, pieces with three colors found at the corners of the cube. Important, centers never move, so you always solve relative to them. Cube notation: R right face clockwise, R prime right face counterclockwise, L left prime, up U up U prime, D down prime, B backside B prime, prime counterclockwise, to move twice 180 degrees. To move twice 180 degrees. Example: R U R prime means right up, then reverse right, right up, then reverse right. White cross, start by making a white cross on the bottom. From a plus shape, Step 2, white corners. Now complete the white layer. Move R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, then again this corner. Repeat until solved. Repeat this algorithm. This corner, R prime D prime R D. First layer complete. Then middle layer. Next solve the middle layer edges. Right case, this algorithm: U R U prime R prime U prime F prime U F, and left case U prime L prime U L U F U prime F prime. Then solve middle layer. Step 4, make a yellow cross on top. Move F R U R prime U prime, then F prime. Hook opposite position, then again F R U R prime U prime, then F prime, line, then again same algorithm, F R U R prime U prime, then F prime. Okay, step 5, yellow cross solve. So match center S, and then this algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime, solve cross, yellow cross. Step 6, position yellow corners, position, right position. This corner is fixed, so this algorithm U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L, then again U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Step 7 and final step, finish solving the cube. Move this two corner twice, so this algorithm R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D. Then this corner same algorithm R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D. And just like that you solve a Rubik's Cube. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe and keep practicing to get faster. Thanks for watching.